Okay, so I've unboxed the mixer here. It comes with the 3 different mixers that you can put on it. I'm going to put the dough hook on right now since we are going to make some bread. So you just slide it right on and then you push it up and then turn it and it locks into place. It also came with the guard up here and all I did was just slide that right on. So just like that, and that way it's not going to splash everywhere. And then we're going to put the pan into place and then you'll lock it into place that way. Okay, so I'm just going to move the little lever and it drops down into place like so. And then you can see up here, we want to click on the setting or the function, sorry, and then you can move it to the appropriate one that you are using. So we're going to go back to the dough hook. To set the time, I'm going to press on the time button and then I'm going to turn the little knob and I'm just going to do 2 minutes for now and then press down and it starts it and now it's mixing. As you can see, it's mixed the dough really well. So it is all mixed together. Now that the dough is all mixed, I put it in the fermentation mode. As you can see, we have the F up here and then it has the temperature over here and the timer over here. As you can see, the timer just went off and the dough has fully risen. So let me open up this so you can see that. That looks great. So I'm going to take this out and put it into bread pans and cook it right up. So this worked really well. I love that there are 3 different tools that you can use on here. I love that it shows you everything up here at the top. Super simple to use. And it also came with an instruction booklet. And I think this is going to be just a nice product to have in your kitchen. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.